Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to create a form on Monday web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Monday website and search for monday.com or type monday.com, and then you will be able to access the website. Then you will need to create a new account by signing up with your email. After that, you can log in into it, and also you can log in into an account if you do already have one, and then you will need just to follow the simple steps. And basically, the first step will be to go to your work management and search for your working space where you want to add a form. And basically, you can have a form based on your board, or you can have a form based on your working space. So basically, here we have this board, and you can add a form view. And by clicking on form, you will have this form that you can have a name, status, date, etc. And you can add some files or images here, and then you will click on submit, for example, and you will have a form that has been created. Or you can just edit the form, and you will have more specific fields or more customizable fields or form for your board form. And as you can see, this is the build. You can change things. You can add a new question for this field. You can go to customize, and for each thing you can have another thing, so you can see how it is look like, how it looks like. Then you can build it however you want. You can upload a logo. You can have a name it something else. You can uh, do other things, and then you can have the results, and automation depends on whatever you want. And also you can create a form by going to your working space and search for add items to workspace, and here you will find new form, and now a new form will be created. And as you can see, now we have this form. We have more things to do or to manage. You can add uh, layout. You can align alignments. You can add questions. For example, you can add something that you want, a long text, for example. You can add a question. You can make it multi-select, give it the name that you want, add the things that you want, and then you will need just to publish or just to quit, and it will be saved and published. You can copy the link and give it to the member of your working space, etc., etc. And basically, this is how you create form on Monday Web Application. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.